Hi, this is Jeff Forward, President and Creative Director at Forward Design Build Remodel. Over the last month, I've had a number of friends ask me how we're keeping people safe on our job sites. And as a team, we developed a number of best practices following CDC guidelines. And I think it's best if our project managers explain them to you.
We want to be sure to keep our team safe and our homeowners safe. So every day when we start at a job site or even at the office, we sign in with a health questionnaire just to make sure we're feeling fine and we haven't been exposed to COVID. So the easiest way we found to do that was on the door of the house. We have a little QR code. We can scan it with our smartphone, and then that'll lead us through the health questions. One of the questions is, are you running a fever? So if you are, we have a touchless scanning thermometer you can use to check your temperature. We ask then if you answered yes to any of the questions or have a temperature, then you should not come to the job site and you should stay home and stay safe. We ask that every time you come to a new site, you wash your hands. So you can either use hand sanitizer that we provide at the entryway to the home, or in our porta potties, we have a sink in there, and if our porta potties aren't equipped with a sink, we've got a wash station with soap and water to use there. We also have a kit for subcontractors that come in if they maybe don't have supplies with them.
We call it a COVID cleaning tote. It's just a small tote. It has a couple different sanitizers, a hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, spray bottle with like a Clorox solution. It's got a roll of paper towel. It has some backup face masks, a little first aid kit, which is typical on site. So everything's just self-contained in one tote.
We also want to make sure that throughout the day things are staying clean as people come and go. So we are, every 2 hours, we're sanitizing all of the major surfaces, so doorknobs, light switches, the porta potty, just all those commonly touched areas that might get multiple people touching them, so we can prevent the spread of germs.
It's now more important than ever. We've always put up solid 2x4 walls with an 1/8" masonite on them and tape the joints and use an exterior door so it seals really well. We also block off any return airs, grills that go back to your furnace. We blue tape those so the air is not going back into your furnace. We use a HEPA filter that creates a negative air pressure to keep the space clean, and these things will also clean the space completely without even blowing outside. So there's 2 ways to do it.
On site, everybody has to wear a mask. All the trades, all the guys working on our crews are wearing masks no matter what while they're working. We're trying to minimize the trades that are in there so there's less people crossing over each other. If at all possible, 1 trade at a time on the job site. And then of course our meetings, we're doing all our meetings video conference.
I hope this video helps you understand our safety measures. For further information, please visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.